All right, y'all, I'm back with another one. Today's a little different. I got the Motorola Rzr Flip smartphone. Now, I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing. So here we go. So yeah, I think the presentation of the box is good. So you got the box. There's a phone right there. Yeah, here's the phone. Now this looks like a sunglass case. However, it's actually not. It's right there, the Rzr. So if you open it, it actually is the manual book. So you got the manual book here. You got your power outlet, charger, your cable. This is actually for your headset. This is what the phone looks like. This is where your camera is, your flash, your power button, your volume button. This is what the back looks like. So to power it on, you just turn it on like this. Yeah, oh yeah, so that's like your fingerprint. So you could set up your fingerprint, which is kind of cool. But I think that's the only thing. Yeah, so you just flip it open like this. And you have all your you have your usual apps, your messages, settings, your phone. You could look through there. This flip phone sucks big time. This phone will not last you 10 minutes. I mean, how do you expect Motorola? Come on, guys. Come on, y'all. How does Motorola expect people to buy this phone? I mean, it's a waste.